Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter display. Right here you've got all settings for your display. Let's start with the top of the list where you can change display mode between light and dark. You can schedule the dark mode. And in more dark mode options you can adjust wallpaper to dark mode and adjust text and backgrounds automatically. Also you can enable dark mode for individual apps. Then you can change brightness level manually or automatically via automatic brightness. Then you can enable or disable sunlight mode. Next you can enable reading mode, select it between classic or paper, and adjust the color temperature. Also you can schedule it. Then you can change color scheme between vivid, saturated, original color and advanced. And you can change color temperature. Next you can change refresh rate between default or custom. You can change font, text size, manage when device is in VR to reduce blur or reduce flicker, and enable or disable auto rotate screen. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.